How's it going, everybody? I'm Jason with the Review Suite. This is the new Pocket Go. I've been using this device for a couple of days now, and my overall impressions are pretty positive. The device feels pretty comfortable when you hold it, and when you're playing retro games, you just get this great feeling of nostalgia. This isn't a review video, but I want to take a quick second to examine PS1 performance and frame skip. I've watched a few review videos of the new Pocket Go, and a lot of people don't like frame skip. And that's cool, I totally get that. However, I do think frame skip is inevitable when you're playing PS1 games. The new Pocket Go performs pretty well with PS1 games, and with 2D games, you may not even need frame skip. But when it comes to 3D games, you probably are gonna enable frame skip. Let me show you what I mean. So we're playing Crash Bandicoot and we have frame skip off. Now when I played this game back in the day on original PS1 hardware, I don't remember the game running any slower or faster. The game is running fine and it's obviously playable. What have I got? The Pocket Go 2 performs pretty well with PS1, and so you may not even need frame skip on some games. But when we switch over to a game like Tekken 3, you're definitely going to want to enable frame skip.
You win. Round 1. Fight.
You can obviously see the difference in performance with frame skip on and off. I honestly do not mind frame skip, and for 60 bucks you really can't beat the Pocket Go and the performance. But that's going to do it for this video. I really don't have any plans to review the Pocket Go 2, but if you guys want to see me test a few more games, let me know in the comments down below. If you found this video helpful or informative, please hit that like button and subscribe for more content. I'm Jason, and I'll talk to you guys on the next one.
You